Today I'm going to show you how to create a gingham pattern in Procreate. Gingham is super easy to make and will just take you a couple of minutes. It's a great pattern to upload to your Spoonflower shop in different colours and also works well as a blender print in a pattern collection. So first of all, let's create a new canvas in Procreate. I always create at 12 by 12 inches at 300 dpi. Fill the first layer with your chosen colour. Now go up to the spanner icon, tap Canvas and toggle Drawing Guide on, which should bring up all these little squares. We want the canvas to be divided into 4 equal segments, so go to Edit Drawing Guide and slide the grid size to max. Now make sure snapping and magnetics are both on and set to max and move across your colour layer so it snaps in the middle. Go up to the Layers panel and duplicate this layer by swiping left and tapping Duplicate. Select this layer and rotate it 45 degrees twice and move to the top of the canvas, making sure it snaps into place. Now go back to the Layers panel and tap the little N at the side of the layer and select Multiply. This will change the colour of the part where the two blocks of colour intersect. Now you can merge the layers and duplicate 3 more times. Scale each one down to a corner. You can repeat this last step as many times as you like, depending on how big or small you want your checks. So there we have it, a quick and simple way to make gingham in Procreate.